Download GTA San Andreas on your PC. On today's video, I will show you how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC. So first of all, you need the Steam software. How to install it? Just go to Google, type steam.com, download the software, install it on your PC, and after that create an account on it. It's free. So after you create an account on it, you should see this screen. After that, go to store like this, and go to search and type GTA. Now click on the first results. After you click on the first results, it will appear here this message that they want to make sure that you are an adult. Just select your birth date like this and click on view the page. After that, scroll down and add to cart. Click on add to cart and continue shopping. So after you finish in the process of shopping your game, go to the library, and here you can search for your game after you purchase it. And this is how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC. Thank you for watching.